G'day traders, Mindset Reset, Tuesday, day 2. 3 things that can accelerate your trading. A bit breezy down here on the lake, so hopefully it's not too noisy. But today I'm going to talk about 3 things each day that I do to try and identify the best instruments that will offer me the best candidate opportunities for a parabolic trade setup. I talk about day 1, day 2, day 3, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because that is the front side of the week. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Wednesday resets and becomes day 1 on the back side of the week, day 1, day 2, day 3. Now there are day 1 setups, there are day 2 setups, and there are day 3 setups. There are trend trades and there are reversal trades. One of the things that I've been working on and trying to clarify and help other traders work on this as well is obviously identifying which instrument is going to offer the best trade setup on the day or the easiest free cash opportunity for a reversal or a trend trade opportunity. So when we have Friday's closing price starting the week, the auction process begins from that point and we start to expand the range on day 1. That's our opening range for the new week. Now a day 1 trade setup can break out at some point during that day. A market may have already closed in breakout on Friday leading into a new week. So we have a week then that is closed in breakout. We can have reversal trades on a day 1 instrument. So for example, you could have a basket of 10 instruments and you may have a couple of instruments that are set up potentially for reversal trades, and you may have an instrument that is set up for a trend trade on day 1. Now the template itself may determine which instrument is actually the best one to trade. So on day 1 we can have a couple of candidates that are offering different types of trade setups, and one of them may actually be the better opportunity on the day. Day 2 typically expands the range on the front side. So as our week moves day 1, day 2, the market expands the range, and the same thesis can apply. We can have markets that can go into breakout on day 2 at the higher low of the week and offer us reversal trades on day 2, and we can also have markets that offer us trend trades on day 2. Then the process gets narrowed down to 1 or 2 and which instrument has the best template for a day 2 trade setup. We saw that today with copper, we saw it with the New Zealand dollar. We saw the Canadian dollar continue a trend trade after a first red day trading signal on Friday. Monday closed in breakout on the short side. They pumped it back up, continued that move down on a first red day trade in the US window. And then of course we have day 3, free cash Wednesday. Day 1, day 2, day 3 typically can blow off in the direction of a trend, or it can break out, close and break out again in reverse for a parabolic reversal trade on day 3, front side. Day 1, day 2, day 3, Wednesday resets heading into the closing range of the week, and that whole process starts again. So typically on a pump and dump or a dump and pump template, the high and low will already be in place as we head into the backside of the week. In a high percentage of instances, one of those extremes will tend to hold. We can get a false break on a Wednesday, Thursday for a Friday reversal. We can get a market that has broken out on Tuesday, inside day on a Wednesday, continuation first green day on a Thursday for a range expansion trend trade on free cash Friday. So 3 things that can help identify those instruments. Number 1, a market that closes in breakout. Number 2, have we broken a high of week or low of week boundary from a current week or the current week itself? So from a previous week and the current week itself. Number 3, do we have a market that breaks out on the day for a potential reversal or trend trade situation, whether depending on which day it is in that 3-day template? The reason why I'm repeating this is because people have taken information and they're mixing a lot of different ideas up which have nothing to do with specific trade setups on day 1, specific trade setups on a day 2, and specific trade setups on a day 3. Monday's day 1, Tuesday's day 2, and Wednesday is day 3. Reset, Wednesday's day 1, Thursday's day 2, and Friday day 3 on the back side of the week for free cash Friday. Wind's picking up here. Had a great run, great swim, beautiful time of year here in southern Ontario. But each day, 1% better each day, starts to peel the onion back even more for traders. If once you start to identify the setups, then being able to filter out the best instruments on the day for scalable parabolic opportunities. Keep it simple, because if it's simple, you can duplicate that with a simple process every single week, identifying the best candidates for 90-10 parabolic trade setup opportunities, whether it's a first red day, a first green day, whether it's 3 days of breakout traders, whether it's an inside day false break reversal or trend trade, whether it's a day zero template. Simplicity is supreme, because you can duplicate that, you can scale it up in size, you can make your trading as stress-free, zero emotion, zero stress, and as profitable as possible. Keep it simple. Everything needs to be simple, everything needs to be stress-free, and it needs to be profitable. Keep it simple, traders. Get out and enjoy your day, get some exercise, blow off some steam, keep your mindset healthy, recharged, program yourself for success. Have a great day, and may the markets go with you.